Welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best solar lights outdoor in 2025? In today's video, we're taking a look at the best solar lights for outdoor use in 2025. Whether you're looking to brighten up your garden, enhance your patio, or add extra security around your home, we've rounded up some of the top-rated solar-powered lights that are stylish, energy efficient, and built to last. All the products featured in this video are linked in the description, so you can check them out for the latest prices and details. Let's get started. 5. HMCD HM2. The HM City Solar Lights Outdoor are a reliable and versatile lighting solution designed to enhance outdoor spaces with efficiency and durability. Featuring an enhanced PIR motion inductor, these solar lights offer 3 practical lighting modes: motion-activated, constant illumination, and smart brightness control, making them adaptable for gardens, pathways, and yards. Equipped with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar panels, they achieve a conversion rate of up to 20.5%, generating more electricity and ensuring longer-lasting performance. With 120 upgraded LEDs and a 270-degree wide lighting angle, they provide exceptional brightness and can illuminate areas up to 30 bellis. Built with durable, high-impact ABS material and an IP65 waterproof design, they withstand rain, snow, and extreme heat, ensuring year-round reliability. Their wireless, easy-to-install setup eliminates the need for complex wiring, allowing flexible placement and quick installation, making these solar lights an ideal choice for security, safety, and ambiance. Number 4. ASMAD Solar Lights. Outdoor experience the newest designed solar garden firefly lights that bring a magical layered look to your outdoor space. Unlike ordinary solar lights, these swaying lights feature wires of varying lengths, giving the LEDs a more natural and dynamic appearance as they dance with the wind, just like real fireflies glowing in the night. Built with highly flexible wires, a heavy-duty bulb base, and 8 larger, brighter LED bulbs compared to the standard 6, they deliver a more vivid and enchanting glow. With an IP65 waterproof rating and a 600 mAh high-capacity battery, these lights can shine for 10 to 12 hours after just 6 to 8 hours of charging, even on cloudy days. Easy to install with no cables or plugs required, they are crafted from corrosion-resistant ABS plastic for long-lasting durability. Perfect for patios, gardens, yards, and festive occasions like Christmas, weddings, or birthdays, these patented ASMAD-designed lights make an ideal gift while creating a romantic, relaxing atmosphere wherever you place them. 3. Adlon 54 48+6 FT elevate your outdoor experience with our next-generation solar string lights, designed for both convenience and charm. The upgraded remote puts lighting creativity in your hands. Choose from 3 brightness levels: soft, bright, super bright. 3 lighting effects: breathing, flash, flashing, constant, and 4 timer settings: 2, 4, 6, 8 ERS, all without needing extra dimmers or timers. Dual charging options ensure your nights stay bright. Solar charging powers up after 8 hours of sunlight for an all-night glow, while USB fast charging delivers a full boost in just 4 hours for quick use, lasting up to 20+ hours per full charge. Crafted with weatherproof, shatterproof PET plastic, these lights withstand rain, snow, wind, and drops with ease, making them perfect for patios, gardens, and camping. With 15 durable sockets, 16 Edison-style bulbs, 1 spare, and Adlon's 3-year product support guarantee, you can trust both the performance and durability. Break free from cords, enjoy eco-friendly brilliance, and let your space shine responsibly, all backed by reliable customer care. 2. Tuffenough 8330D 210R. Each solar motion sensor light comes with a convenient wireless remote control, allowing you to easily switch between 3 lighting modes based on your needs: strong light sensor mode, dim light sensor mode, strong long light mode. Equipped with 210 ultra-bright LED beads, these lights deliver up to 2,500 lumens of 6,500K high brightness, ensuring excellent illumination for your courtyard, garage, driveway, or swimming pool. The 3 adjustable heads provide a 270 degrees wide-angle lighting range and a 26-foot motion detection distance, covering more space with enhanced visibility. Powered by a built-in 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery and high-efficiency solar panel, the lights offer extended working time even on cloudy days when properly charged. Designed with IP65 waterproof protection and a wireless installation system, these solar floodlights are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to mount using the included screws. No messy wires, adapters, or batteries required. 1. Aootek AK06. This solar-powered step light features 3 optional lighting modes to meet different outdoor needs. 1. Motion sensor light mode. The lights stay off at night until motion is detected, instantly turning on at full brightness for 25 to 30 seconds before switching off. 2. Permanent on mode. The lights automatically stay on all night at a steady 10% brightness. 3. Smart brightness control mode. The light remains slightly bright throughout the night and automatically switches to high brightness for 25 to 30 seconds when motion is detected, then returns to dim mode. Equipped with a sensitive PIR motion inductor, it detects movement up to 26 feet within a 120 degrees angle. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a high-efficiency solar panel with a PET laminated design and 20.5% conversion rate, this light ensures reliable, energy-saving performance. The wide-angle LED illumination enhances lighting coverage, while the IP65 waterproof and heat-proof design makes it perfect for outdoor use in steps, patios, gardens, porches, lawns, pathways, and gutters, built to withstand harsh weather conditions. That wraps up our list of the best solar lights for outdoor use in 2025. Whether you're looking for something to brighten up your garden, secure your driveway, or add some ambiance to your patio, I hope this video helped you find the perfect option. All the product links I mentioned are listed down below in the description, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.